Hi everyone! So One Day Savings reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do another collaboration with them. And I'm going to show you guys what they sent me. I do have a coupon code with them and you save 5% off of your order. And it's Vagabond05OFF. I'll leave it down in the description box as well as links to these products. So you guys could go ahead and go check them on out. So they started off having only diamond dots, but they've now expanded. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked out. So just in time for Halloween, I got this boo sign and it's like on foam. So that's really nice. So you could go ahead and hang that up in your house as a little wall decoration. And the kit comes with your starter kit and it does come with a rope. So you could go ahead and hang it. There are the little holes right here at the top. So you could go ahead and hang that up in your house. And then here are the drill bits. They are in rhinestones. So if you're thinking about getting into doing diamond dots, diamond arts, start with something small like this. This is something you can definitely sit down, pop on a movie, pop on your favorite show, and finish this in a day. This is the best kind of projects to do. These are my favorite ones. If you guys have been following me, it's been a long time since I picked a large canvas because they honestly do take so long that they can become overwhelming. So these smaller projects and anything that comes in rhinestones are just absolutely gorgeous. So those are definitely my go-to projects. Now the next one I got says trick or treat. Wait, where's the or? Just trick treat. Am I missing the or part? Oh, or up here. Oh, okay. So trick and then or treat. It's in the skull. How funny. I was like, wait, I'm missing something. And again, this one is on that same little foam. And there are holes right here at the top. Same thing. So here's your starter kit. Here's your string. So you could go ahead and hang that up. And then we have, again, the beautiful little rhinestones to go ahead and put that one together. That little or up here is pretty interesting. I honestly thought it was like a 0-1 at first, but it's trick or treat in the skull. And then down over here, there are little skulls as well. So once I put all of these together, I will definitely come back and share with you guys how they end up turning out to look like, because they do come out so pretty. So the next item I chose was this like Day of the Dead looking skull. And it comes on a canvas bag. So this is what it looks like. It is pretty large. It's like 2.5 of my hands tall. And I just think it's really pretty. We have a butterfly here with some floral down over here. Florals up in the eyes. I love the spider webs coming off of the skull. We have a butterfly right here and then another floral arrangement over here. This is going to be beautiful once it's all done and put together. The only sad part was this one comes in the regular rhinestones. It is not, or I'm sorry, it comes in the regular diamond dots, not in the rhinestones. So that's kind of a bummer. I'm kind of debating if I want to just change the whole thing. I have done so many of these diamond dots that I save all the extra little bits. So I think I might do this in rhinestone instead of just using these standard little drill bits. Because like I said, rhinestones are my favorite. So there are a couple like specialty pieces in here. Let me show you. So there are a couple like little rhinestones in here, but these are like the specialty ones. So you see like the little heart and the little teardrops, and then there's some circles over here. And then, like I said, these are just all the regular ones. So I'll probably use like all these specialty ones right here. But these standard ones, I'm thinking I'm going to see if it's possible for me to just swap them out and use something that I already have in my stash. I'm not 100% sure yet, so stay tuned for that. I might be making some changes on this one because I just think it'd be beautiful in a whole rhinestone little mix. So a new item they've started carrying are resin molds. Now look at these. I think this is perfect. If you do resin, you know, you mix up your batch and then you would end up with your 2 earrings. They're going to match perfectly because you're going to pour them from the same batch. And then right here is a little circle at top, so you could go ahead and add your little jump ring for the earring hook. So there's the spider webs. Then we have the spiders, and these are not going to be really thick. You can even use these for just little charms for your chunky charms, which is what I would love to do because I love making chunky charms. And then here are some skulls. And again, they all have the little hole at the top, so that way you could go ahead and turn these into earrings. Here is the little jack-o'-lantern. Look at these little bats. Oh my gosh, I'm loving these bats right here. These are probably like 3 inches wide. Love those. We have the witch's hat. We have Boo. And we have little ghosties right here. All are super cute. And then it does come with the jump rings and the earring hook. So as soon as you pour your resin in these, you can go ahead and put your earrings together with the jump rings and the earring hooks. Y'all know me and how much I love my little Gnome homies. So when I saw this under the news section, I was like, yep, I need him. A little Santa gnome. Of course I need him in my life. And he's carrying his little Christmas tree over here, but it's not decorated. So I was thinking about possibly gluing a star down at the top and then maybe adding like some little ornaments to it. You know, just make it my own. Maybe sprinkle a couple or maybe follow the little star over here. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a little star right there. Maybe follow the star with, you know, some rhinestones. So this part right here is not sticky because there's no diamonds that should be here. But what I do is I just use my glue. I use my Barely Arts glue and I'll just glue it down when I want to add something. So I might do that with this one. And then this one does have my favorite rhinestones. So that's what that one has. And this kit actually comes with these little plastic tweezers. So you could go ahead and set those down if you want. You have your little tweezers right there. So that one's pretty interesting. Not all, or not even very often, do the kits come with tweezers. And let's see, I think this is my last item. Let me double check. Yeah, so the last little item right here is this bag. And it has just blue butterflies on top. And then here is the skull. And then it has a little clip right here, but nothing was on there. So I could definitely add my own little skull charm. I'm sure I have something in my stash. And then it does have like little handles right here on the side. So if you want to go ahead and add the chain or just use it like a little clutch bag. So that's what the inside looks like. Here's about, you know, the size of the bag right there. And this one does come with the beautiful little rhinestones right here. And then it does come with the chain. Like I said, if you want to go ahead and add the chain or not. I think it's cute. It would make a cute makeup bag. Oh, look, this is probably what's meant to go over here. You're probably meant to put a tassel right here. I would still add this and still do my little skull charm because I think that's cute. And then here is your chain. And it comes with the little jump rings right there to go ahead and attach your chain to make it into a little purse. But I like the idea of keeping it like a little, you know, like makeup bag or like a little pencil bag. I think that's really, really cute. I would probably use that more than turning it into an actual like purse on a strap. So that's the little haul for today. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below with all of these products so you guys could go check them out. I'll include the coupon code down in the description box, which is Vagabond05OFF. And if you guys ever have any questions on anything, on how to put these together or anything, please let me know. I also do have a playlist that I will try to remember to link down below where I show how I set up my beads or my rhinestones so that I could go ahead and get started on putting these together, and how I seal them once I'm done. So I'll leave that link down below if I can remember. And if I don't, just remind me down in the comments and I'll go ahead and I'll add that as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.